Welcome to Arduino project for beginners, and in this video I will talk about how to display temperature on LCD screen using Arduino with DHT11 sensor. So to build this project we need Arduino Uno, then LCD with I2C module on it, and then DHT11 sensor. We need few jumper wires and breadboard. It's optional. So let's go ahead and connect the wires. To set up the wire, see the details on the screen and also see the way I'm doing, and the details of the wiring connection will also be given in the blog, where you can see the wiring connection as well as the project details and code. Everything will be shared in this video. So wiring connection is done. It's time to upload the code and test. To get the code, visit this URL, and then if you scroll down you will see the details of the project. So every single detail to build this project is given on this blog. So keep scrolling down and you will see the wiring connection details and libraries which you need, and if you scroll down you will see the code here, and then you will see how the code works, like the code breakdown you will see here, and then testing and troubleshooting. So everything is here. So now we will go ahead and copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE, and we also have to install some libraries. So I will show you that. To install libraries, click on Tools and then click on Manage Libraries, and then copy the name from here, name of the library, and paste here. If it is not installed on your machine, it will ask you to install. In my case, on my machine, it is already been installed, so I don't have to install it. We'll go ahead and install the second library. Again, copy the name from here, paste into the search box and search, and it's here. So again, this has already been installed on my machine. So now it's time to go ahead and upload the code. Now one more thing, if you're building this project just for one-time project, you can ignore these comments. Otherwise, go ahead and read these comments. These are very important, right? I normally keep the video shorts. The length of my videos are very short. Therefore, I do not explain the code. So therefore, I always write comment so you can go ahead and understand what exactly the block of the code is doing, and more, right? Now it's time to go ahead and upload the code. Make sure we have the right port connected. So just click on the drop down above and select the port and then upload the code. So a sketch is getting compiled. Once the compilation is done, it will get uploaded. So bottom right you see it's being uploaded, and if you see the result, I will put hot water. So I'm keeping my sensor away from hot water. I just want sensor to sense the heat and display the result. So number is increasing. Very carefully I'm keeping my sensor away from hot water, and sensor is sensing the heat and increasing the number gradually.